There's a bit of traffic.
Yung ano, caravan site mo.
May caravan site din ba siya dyan?
Site na katabi ng farm niya.
There's so much traffic going into the farm. All those
Ganda ng ano, yung bunga
parked
niya.
car.
Horse chestnut.
Oh my goodness.
Horse chestnut na kalaman.
So there's the farm there.
Ganda ng
I can see the shed, the farm. Yeah.
May car park sa loob eh, di ba?
Hmm.
Ano, thank you.
Yeah, we're
This is
chipping
not
out.
with the squats. Baka pumasok yung mga tao dito.
this is not ano.
Yung signboard.
Oh my goodness, we got a amount of cars there.
Kaya nyo naman.
Baka hindi na tayo makapasok. Paano yan lalabas yung mga yan?
There's a nice Porsche there.
Pwede ba pumasok?
Oh, there's
No
the farm
entry.
there.
No
No entry daw eh. Sa kabila siguro.
Saan yung
Yan,
entry?
baka yan, ayan yun.
Baka yun.
Ito?
Yan oh.
Baka yung may dilang entrance.
Entrance.
Baka may bayan.
So there is the entrance to Diddley Squat Farm.
Ayos na yung ano niya.
Daanan.
I only watched this on telly, Amazon, and now I'm here. Look at those people there.
Kasi pa ako dyan.
Ayan guys, ang mga customer ni Jeremy. Look at the queue. Miles long. Right. From here it's 30 minutes. Wait. So yeah, so it's there. The shed. Where is it? The shed.
Dahil,
It's over there.
hindi na ako makabot. Baka magbilas.
Yeah. That's the shed. It used to be the restaurant. See the queue? Loads. There. Right. Hey guys, 15 minutes more to wait. We're getting nearer and nearer. Alright guys, we're getting closer to the front. To the front of the shop. Here it is. There's a nice pickup truck. Right? Jeremy's pickup. Chevy. So here it is. Diddley Squat. Diddley Squat farm shop. With the butcher's delivery. Diddley Squat farm. We're getting into the shop now. We are here.
Ayan, tapos hindi ka bibili.
Cow's juice.
Kuha ng puso niya.
Dalawa. Bibili ng kandila.
Dito sa banda rito.
So here we are in the farm. Clarkson's farm. And have orange to drink. So there you are, guys, everyone. So many people in Clarkson's Park today because it's Saturday.
Talaga kasikat eh. Kahit napakalayo. Dinadayo. Huwag nang tayo na guys.
And we bought some stuff as well.
Bag. 3 hours ang biyahe namin. So bakit
This is what we bought. We bought a bottle for milk,
maraming tao baka
cow
bawalan
juice,
ako
honey from bee juice from Clarkson's farm, fudge,
ayaw magana ng aking cellphone.
and two sausages. There you go.
Tayo.
And 2 packs of beer. So that's it, guys. Sunday stay in the UK. We're finished now with Clarkson's farm and we're going home.